Hey everyone, it's Ricky here. I'm back and kicking, sort of. As some of you have probably been aware, I've just been in hospital, just had a bit of an ear problem and have a cold. And my partner's also been a bit unwell. Anyway, today's video is just a short one. I am slowly building up to making a Shopify store. If some of you have been following me, got a new store it's been around for about 5-6 weeks. Been marketing it on Facebook for about 2-3 weeks. Just had other things on in my life at that point in time. And I would love to have shown you, and I think there's a few hours left in the day, but right at this moment it's not there. Nearly hit a $2,000 day in sales, just about $230 in ad spend. And so it's doing extremely well. Again, I'm using... people messaging me all the time. It's doing extremely well. I'm extremely happy. But today I wanted to show you how you can make extra money by doing nothing. And the question is, what? That's what I thought too, but this is fantastic. It's called Admitted. It's bound to the AliExpress affiliate referral program. The reason you use Admitted over just the referral program is you get your money faster. It's got far better reporting. And it easily connects to Dropshipping, which is my preferred and recommended app for dropshipping for order fulfillment. Oberlo is, in my opinion, crap. It's very limited. It works well, but the difference between Dropshipping and Admitted is Dropshipping, once you pay the paid plan of $47 a month, you have pretty much unlimited orders, really, unless you're doing huge amounts of volume. It's got 1 million times more support. The actual functionality is 1 million times more there. Drop a comment below if you want me to do a video exclusively on Dropshipping as well, because you can automate so much more of it and nearly do it all yourself to the point where you don't need a VA paying $3-4 an hour. I mean, you can do that anyway, but as I said, if you can automate most of it and control most of it at the end of the day, that's a win for you because you save money and you know you're getting the result because you're doing it. But anyway, so Admitted, you get 8% back, 5 to 8%. Most of the time it's about 8% back on every order. So the way it works is essentially you're an affiliate for AliExpress. Now, so you're making a business off using AliExpress as a dropshipper, and at the same time you're also referring customers to them. So you make money back. You make 8%. And you might not think that's much, but again, you know, like the 1.8K today, of that, I think it's about $500 in product spend. So 500, 8% of $500, 8 times 5, $40. Yeah, so I get about $40 back, and that's US, so I'm Australian. So that'll be about $50, $60 for doing nothing. It's just insane. So I just wanted to show you this and show you just how easy it really is. I have one of my old stores. I haven't withdrawn some money from it, and I wanted to show you that this stuff is real. Yeah. All right. Once it loads. All right. Cool. So you can see here, I haven't done much more on this store recently, but basically you can see here that I have on hold $8 and confirmed $57.61. Through this account, I think generated about 900 USD. This was just a store. I've moved away from this store because it was a general store. I now have my other stores, which I much prefer. You can see it's got a cool graph. Yeah. The main problem that you'll have is don't use ad blocker. Ad blocker, for some reason, with the Admitted affiliate link sometimes causes orders to not go through. And I learned this the hard way. Do not, if you're using Dropify, do not go and order a heap of products and then actually pay for the order in one big bulk of over $500. It won't attribute the sale. Has to be under $500 for the affiliate income to work. I don't know why it's a stupid limitation they have set, but that's just a tip. So just don't do that. Basically, this is all you need to know. I don't look at most of this because I'm not, but this is a program that's just for affiliate programs. And you can see, look, Max yesterday's earnings, someone earned $61,000 somehow. I don't know how, but yeah, hats off to them, right? So basically, that's it there. You just need to go under programs, all programs. AliExpress INT, and all you want to do blah blah blah. You have to apply for it. It might take a couple of days. And you can see here we got the various things. You can actually even get more. It tells you the percentage. You won't really need to look at this. See, I'm in the program, so why would I leave it? Blah blah blah. Banners and links. And you click deep link, and you'll have your link here. The reason that you want a deep link is basically because that's what Dropify uses. Overlow uses it too. The other thing I should mention with Overlow, you can't use the affiliate program until you're on their highest tier, which is $80. So you're paying $47 for Dropify. You have a million times more functionality, a million times better support. Their landing page, if you have a look at their sales landing page, they use ClickFunnels. They know what they're doing. It comes by default with the deep link, okay? So all you do is copy the link. I've got my Dropify account, just a bogus one I made. Yeah, by default, it's not there. You just have to contact their support and just say, can I please have the deep link, please? That's it. And then you just copy it into here and you're done. That is it. That is as simple as it is. That's all you need to do to make money back. All right, for doing nothing. And then you withdraw it. They do it on a Thursday. So you just link up your PayPal. You have to put in some details, all that stuff. And it'll just get debited into your PayPal account and you've made your cash. And everyone's a winner. So basically that's what I would suggest doing there. Again, I also suggest using Dropify. I hope this has been a good video. I didn't want to make a long one today, trying to keep them shorter. I do apologize. I tend to babble on a bit, but I do like to be clear and defined. But yeah, that's it for today's video. I haven't decided what I'll do for tomorrow's video yet. I sort of have to think about it throughout the day. I have a lot on my mind. But I'd appreciate if you like, share, subscribe, and commented below. And, any feedback you have on my videos is always greatly appreciated. Any questions, just ask down below. You can personally message me. I'm fine with that as well. And yeah, until next time, I'll talk to you there.